anything else also. So if it is today you are seeing my channel, please ensure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Now in today's video, I will show you a website that when you register, you'll be given $1,000 coin. Now this is a new platform, exchange platform that just newly came up recently, that is giving out $1,000 as an airdrop to people. Now when you register, you will be given a total sum of 1,000 coin, which is equivalent to 1,000 USDT. Now this is what you will do. All you need to do, I will leave the description. I will leave the link in the description below. Just go there and register and claim your $1,000. Now when you register, you can also refer more people to the platform. With the people you refer, we also have $1,000 USDT, and you yourself you also have 1,000. Now let me log it to my I've already registered, so let me log it to my dashboard so that you can see it by yourself, that this is not a fake site. This is very legit, and so people are still complaining that it's legit. You can go to it, you can check their WhatsApp page, you can check their Instagram, you can also check their Telegram channel from here, so that you can, and Facebook too, so that you can be getting more notification updates of the time. Now let me log it to my dashboard, so that I will show you what is in my dashboard, that it is not fake. I already registered. Now this is my dashboard. I have to go and do the authentication. I have to put authentication, copy the authentication code, and then go back. Go back to the platform and register. You will find out that my dashboard is about to open up. It's still loading. And you will see that I refer some persons. It's still loading up, and you can see this is the market price ACUSD studio. Now if you click here, then this place will pop up. Then you click into this dashboard. Click your dashboard so that you can see the balance you have in your account. As you can see, I have 7,000. So you can see I have 7,000. It's not only at $16. What this means is that this is the total amount I have. Now when you check on the wallet, you also find out that the total amount of dollars I have is equal to the numbers of ATC coin STG I have. So you can see. I have 8,000 coins, 1,086 coin, which is equivalent to 7,916. Now, guys, do not wait for this to. The airdrop is going off. So you can try and register. My link is below in the description. Try to register, and you can refer people too, so that you can also do your verification, KYC verification, on that. As you can see, I'm already verified in the basic level. There, you can see I'm already verified. Now we go down to. You will see that I've already verified here too. You can see I already verified here because I've done my KYC recently. That's just all you need to do. Just don't waste your time. Do it sharply. Here you get your registration bonus. What is the registration bonus? Registration bonus is 1,000 ATC. The more you register, you refer persons, that's your bonus. Guys, jump into this opportunity and make some cool money for yourself. Do not wait. This is the right opportunity to do now. That is just on. I will link the description. Please make sure to subscribe. Thank you and God bless.